Baskets. Everybody can get baskets, right? But can you? So this is one of the small little baskets from Hobby Lobby. They are so stinking cute. But, not everybody has a Hobby Lobby next to them. Not everybody wants to get the little baskets. That's fine. I'm going to show you how to make your own. Jump right in. I'm Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and let's get started. So I've found these little, they're almost like little ice cream cup things. You can put food, they're food safe. They're just little treat containers from Dollar Tree. They came in two different sizes. So might use these as an option. Little seed starter buckets, those are going to be a good option. You could even do the toilet roll paper. We could also pool noodle. Everybody can get the pool noodles. We all love those. And they come in the different colors and the different sizes, so these would be really easy to do as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to do one of these. We're going to do one of these. Like I said, they're just little, almost, they remind me of something you would put ice cream in. They have like a little thing, a coating to them, so they don't completely just disintegrate. But so we'll move all this stuff off to the side, and we're just gonna wrap ours in twine. So the regular traditional basket, this is like a soft wood you can get. It's a little time consuming. There's a lot involved in that. So we're gonna kind of cheat. We're just gonna wrap ours in twine. So I've got all this twine from all different places. This is the nautical twine. Or nautical, it's called nautical rope. This is from Dollar Tree, and it comes in two different thicknesses. And there's this thickness one comes in an 8-foot section, and then this one, and it comes in a 9.5. So the 9.5 is thinner than the 8-foot. So just kind of a guiding on that. And then you can get, other rope from all different places. You can find rope. But we're going to use this. And here, this does have tape on it because it does fray like crazy. I'm just going to put a little glue on mine to kind of... Now we're going to start at the bottom and go up to the top. Okay? So... Now I'm actually putting it down. This is glass, but I'm putting it down on my surface just to kind of have it to where I can get it all the way on the bottom of my cup here. Now I went all the way to where my starting point, I went basically to the top of that and I stopped it. This does have a lip on it. Now I could have done is just cut off that lip if I didn't want to see it, but I kind of want to do a ring around the top of my piece. But I'm thinking about doing it in the larger rope, so that it's like a big kind of a cuff kind of thing. So we're going to take the... So I like that look. I did end up with a little bit of a gap. We're going to fix that by just going ahead and we're going to put another strand of this to create a ledge. And there we go. That looks so much better. So now I just want to decorate it just a little bit more. I just want a little bit something extra. And this basket at this point can be a decoration for any time of the year. You could put little baby pine cones in it. You could put like little stars and stripes and all sorts of little things popping out of it. This can be super universal. I'm going to gear mine towards spring. I'm gonna gear mine towards spring because, you know, we're hoping for spring to come early, even though it's feels like it's not. Um, but I've got this, and this was from Walmart a couple years back. But you know, you can kind of look up daisy ribbon, and you might be able to find it kind of somewhere else. I think I saw a version on Amazon actually, and we're gonna run it that, and I think that is absolutely adorable, and that will totally add to our project here. And it actually went all the way around perfectly to line up with the other end. That's actually pretty good. Pretty good. Awesome. All right, like I said, we're gearing this towards spring. So that's pretty much it what I'm doing for my basket. So let's go ahead and fill her up. I've got some green Spanish moss. And we're just using this as our little filler. Now, if I was going to put, you know, something in this that needed to be sturdy, you could definitely put some floral foam in there, but that's fine, just like that. And if we are going to, I just got a whole bunch of these little cute little flowers from Temu. Just look up mini fake flowers. Um, and it's got a ton of them in there. In because I want to be able to change it out if I want to. I mean, we can go even like random eggs in there. But that is so cute. I love how that turned out. Again, you can do this with any type of little round situation. And you could also, if you wanted to, go ahead and do the bottom as well. If you wanted to go ahead back with the cord and make it all the way cord and do the bottom as well. You could totally do that. I just wanted to make sure it was a flat surface, so I'm going to leave mine the way it is. All right, super cute. Keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.